Hello and welcome back to Pedalboards of Doom with Oh My Gosh, it's Josh. As you have seen, I've been going through the Caline G Series pedals, and finally today we are looking at the reverb. As you can kind of see with the reverb, we've got everything set to 12 o'clock, so you're going to hear the dry amp at the moment. So let's add in some reverb. I think it's aiming more towards a spring reverb style. I really like that. Let's just bring the mix up a bit more decay. I don't think we need it to be that high on the mix. Give it a try in neck mode coil tapped. I'm really enjoying that. I'm really liking that. Let's take out the tone C. Going to try that with a delay through the quad cortex. Outstanding. What did I make of the Barn Owl Reverb? I thought the Barn Owl Reverb is an outstanding spring style reverb. I could easily get lost in using this pedal. I think it's very good for the budget, as are all of the other pedals that they've made. But however, this is one of my favorites because you can just get lost in ambient tone making with this. And if I didn't have any reverb units on the Quad Cortex, for example, then I would happily substitute this in and use this as my main source of my reverb. So that was a look at some of the pedals on the Caline G Series. I'm very impressed with these pedals. I personally want to thank Pedalboards of Doom and Caline for getting out this fantastic board to me and all of the pedals. Please make sure you go and check them out because they are outstanding. The build quality is fantastic. The sound quality is equally as good, and I've been very impressed with these series. Make sure you check out the other demos I've done on these pedals, as well as the rest of the hosts who have also done reviews on these pedals. Make sure you check those out. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Let me know what you think of the sounds in the comment section below. I want to hear your opinions on them, and if you even own some of these. Once again, I have been, oh my gosh, it's Josh. This has been Pedalboards of Doom, and I will see you guys in another video very soon.